The Clinton
What's
12.
up,
The
the
Clinton
Cassidy
12 was the
Squad?
first group of black
And now
students to be
I'm
integrated
going
into
to
an
be
all-white high
playing
school
with
in Clinton,
Ned
Tennessee.
today.
And my nana
I made
is one of the
some new
Clinton
ones.
12.
It has an important role in history.
It was against the law for them to go to this high school until it was integrated.
When
Alright.
the judge said
So
you
first
can
we
now
are going
integrate
to
Clinton High School,
set up
the 12 of us
this
who
one.
lived here in Clinton said, yes, we're going to do this.
And then they walked down the hill and there were just people lining the streets, throwing things, saying things, trying to
Who going
break
to
their
night?
spirit.
I am.
What you want to get up on y'all food first?
In their heart.
You clean up the mess?
We're going to be
Let me see
intimidated
those.
by walking down to the school, even though
Let me
there
have
were
those.
days
Ooh, this is pretty. I like this coat.
You can have it.
Call you on one? I gotta pay you $5.
It's
Yeah.
really
Okay, I'll pay you.
amazing. The first time I
They
saw
wanna
the
get my
statue,
check.
I just saw
What's the day of?
determination.
Get my check Wednesday.
Incredible.
It's the
amount of
28th.
courage.
This is number one. Sorry. Well, give my EPN somebody.
That's what a hero is.
You've
I don't
taken
know
a
what
stance
you
in
being
your
at.
life and made a difference, not only for yourself, but for a whole community. I think that is a reminder that I've always known. I've always known that she was incredible, but now everyone else knows. Commemorating Black History Month.
Now,
True heroes and timeless.
one second. Oh no. One second.
And squeeze a little imagination into your creation.
Next.
Motion Surprise Maker Kit is a proud sponsor of Disney Channel. Kits and refills sold separately.
Who is your favorite character from Coco? Hello, Dante.
Now on Blu-ray and digital, rated PG.
Home is where
¿Qué
love
pasa,
lives.
amigo?
Where
¿Qué pasó?
friends are welcome.
¿Qué pasa,
And where
clientes?
family memories are made
¿Qué pasa,
every day.
cliente? Hola, ¿cómo estás?
This is a proud
¿Qué
sponsor
pasa?
of Disney
¿Qué
Channel.
pasó?
Playsets and some critters
¿Qué
and
pasa,
furniture
Meg?
sold separately.
¿Qué pasa, me? Oh no. Oh no. It's bad luck.
Always.
It's because I have that stick.
Now back to Disney Freaky making more.
I got that
This is
stick
our
back
bar on
there.
Disney Channel.
Here's the sound that I've been made. Oh no. One second.
Bye guys, love you too. Are we gonna be outcasts here, just like at school? It's not that bad. See, Amelia sat right next to us. Angelo, privacy screen.
Hello, girls.
One second.
I'm the boss here. Before you ask any questions, let me get it all out. No, I'm not a robot. Yes, my father owns Bugle and makes me work here. And no, you cannot order lunch by touching my screen.
Aww.
Yes, we'll chat over. See you tomorrow at the video party.
Alright.
Can't wait.
This is my sister. Hey!
What's the video party?
I'll be right. I'm gonna
It's where
check out
you
the screen.
newbies get to show the first video you make here. Everyone will be watching. Everyone will be judging. It's a big deal.
He's mean. I like it. Frankie, this party is our chance to make everybody here not hate us. We can't remake Dirk's cake or get Amelia's video back. But we can make people laugh. You're right. We should make that video we were talking about at school. The comeback song. That's perfect. Let's go write it. Wait. There's something really important we need
Next,
to do
we're going
first.
to do this.
All right. Let's get to work.
Wow.
Hey, what's up, little man?
The nurse says I'm
Sorry.
average for my...
You know what?
Doesn't matter.
I really do love
30
you.
shots. Talent agent.
And you
I
don't
to
love me.
represent
Y'all are my babies. I'll do
You'll
anything
protect
for
your
y'all.
career.
Y'all just don't know.
These rhymes are awful and people hate
Mm-hmm.
Just wait. I bet y'all 2019. I bet y'all be in the house.
Look, you make me
I
your
bet y'all
agent.
be in the house.
I
I'm
will
getting in the
hustle
house.
for you.
You got a house.
Me and Greg going look tomorrow.
Your own record label.
He getting on his GI long. I seen him how I got it up by tick now. You like that little compact car? Where you want to
Talk to my mom people.
Hang on.
go? Okay.
Anyone who joins my
Oh,
team
they got some houses over there
has
by
to be
that.
on board with me.
By the housing
No
authority.
problem. Bernie shots
Tell
can handle
Greg we
anything
go
you
up there
throw
too.
at him.
All right there, heads. My
Like
new
he's gonna go
terrorist
ahead and get
here
out these
is
bodies
gonna put
and get
hands
them
for
out.
this
And he can do it
wild
too.
ram.
Wait, what are we
I
doing?
don't know what the fuck he's waiting on.
Here we go.
I don't think I want to do this.
Too late. Already clapped and said, here we go. Now let me just rattle this crate and get him extra angry.
Well, down there about there, but over in the
Don't need that, did he?
I've been talking him up.
Fire. I bought a ram for this. Come on.
Oh, I got to put my fork in there.
Thanks for unlocking this video for us, Liam.
Oh, yes, of course. Yes, I got a degree from Oxford, so I can open doors for teenagers. Bizarre. Okay, I'll buy it. How'd you come up with that name?
It was a very long and complicated process. Okay, we need a name for our channel. Let's just go through
What
the
you
alphabet.
doing? What you doing?
A, Aardvark. B, Bizarre. Bizarre Bark!
I don't get it.
It's just silly. We make comedy videos. Like, right now we're making one for the Vidview party. It's called We're Really Good at Comebacks, Just Not Right Away.
But that would mean that you're not really good at combat.
Right, that's the joke.
I don't get it.
Granny, you finna go right now?
I'm waiting right here for you.
I meant, did you want a slice? That was for my birthday.
What is wrong with you? You're just deleting my video.
I don't get it.
Well, can't please everyone. We need to change our video for the party. What are you talking about? The head of Bugle doesn't get us. Dirk and Millie already hate us. It is school all over again. We're too weird here too. Paige, calm down. When you freak out, it gets in my head. And by the time you calm down, I freak out. You're right. We can't change everything based on... Oh, we're too weird. We need to change our video. Bernie Shots, talent agent. Here's my card. You know what? Not gonna risk it.
We've been talking a long time and you haven't said one thing about me. Bye.
Wait, I need you. See, there's these two girls I'm trying to impress, and
I'll say no more. I know exactly what you're asking. In today's video, we're gonna help Bernard here impress girls by waxing off some of his unruly neck hair.
Wait, what are we doing? Is it gonna hurt?
If I do it right.
Bernie Shots, talent agent. Arr! 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 Once again, Captain Perfect Vision. Pirates at the eye doctor. Pirates at the eye doctor. What are we doing? This is weirder than our comebacks video. We need something everyone at Bugle will get. Well, what are we gonna do? The party's in an hour and we've gone through every idea in our notebook. Okay, stay calm. What are we doing? We don't have any ideas. The back and forth game. I'll start. Let's make a video about the funniest thing ever. We are dead.
Next up at the Vidview party is Alan Davis with his channel, My Grandpa Clears His Throat. Army. And finally, we have Paige and Frankie from Bizarre Bar.
So, yeah, this
These
really
ones here, y'all hate some of y'all. She thought y'all was wrong. She, you want some of these cards? Y'all want eat some of these?
We have no video.
Look.
If you can't make
What is
one
it from?
video,
Yes.
then
Let me
why are
see.
you even here?
I just want some honey shrimp.
Good question.
It's chicken.
I mean, honey chicken.
It cold.
This was
How long
supposed
he
to
just
be
on
where
up?
we finally found our
Some rice too.
We did. They just didn't find us.
Anyone else here got a ram? No. Probably mine.
We'll be right back with Paige and Frankie in the Aardvark on Disney Channel.
Let's turn up the heat. Zombies. Tonight at 8 on Disney Channel.
Hey Disney Channel, I'm on set of A Wrinkle in Time, Disney's newest epic adventure through time and space.
Is this really happening?
We're exploring this amazing set, and look who I found.
You
You may know her as Rose Blanchard, who plays Veronica in the movie, right?
Yes, Veronica.
I remember reading the book. Did you as well?
I did. It's crazy to be on like the set of it and to be able to see this thing get put together the same way I've read. It's really amazing.
Can you tell me what was special to you about the book?
It was about this girl, Meg, who was not like perfect. Instead, she's very flawed and
Quirky
quirky
and
like
like
us.
that. She's flat and quirky.
You're kidding.
If y'all know what that is, comment down
Wonderful. She just
below
kind of
what
gives
is
all of
flat
that
and
that's so relatable
quirky.
to the human on screen, but she's like saving the universe. I'm trying. That's a real girl boss. That's a true queen.
Disney's A Wrinkle in Time flies into theaters March 9th, rated PG.
And then, so that's all.
So good.
Bye.